Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting power at the breaker and verifying it's dead with a voltage tester. This prevents shocks and protects the sensor. Next, remove the existing fixture or cover and visually identify the hot, neutral, and load conductors so you know which wires connect where. Once done, strip 1/2 inch of insulation and prepare the sensor's wires, typically black for line, white for neutral, and red or blue for load. Make sure to keep wire identification clear as you proceed. You now wire the sensor, starting with the black lead. Attach it to the house hot line and secure with a properly sized wire nut to ensure a stable connection. Then, join the sensor white to the neutral bundle so the sensor has a return path. Improper neutral causes flicker or failure. After that, connect the sensor red or blue to the fixture load wire, which switches the light. Once every conductor is joined, gently fold wires into the box and check that nuts are tight and insulated. You finish by mounting the sensor to the bracket or electrical box and aiming the PIR lens toward the coverage area. Correct orientation matters for reliable detection. Next, restore power at the breaker and test the sensor across its range and settings. Adjust sensitivity, time delay, and dusk to dawn thresholds until behavior is consistent. If the sensor does not power or the light stays on, turn power off and recheck line versus neutral connections with your tester. Make sure wire nuts are tight and no.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.